And we gave them relief packets that lasted for about 2 to 3 weeks. We talked to about 70 donors, and we also had Mrs. Namrata Shirodkar. Focusing on education recently, we've been working with the Sankuratri Foundation.
इंसान तो हर घर जन्म लेते हैं, मगर इंसानियत तो कम जगहों पर ही जन्म लेती है। दीक्षिता, जो कि हैदराबाद के चिराग इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में 10वीं जमात पढ़ रही है, और उनके वालिद एक सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोफेशन है जिनका ताल्लुक़ शहर कर्नूल से है। नाज़रीन, लड़की ने भी अपनी उम्र से ज़्यादा सोच पाई। इसने गुज़िश्ता साल 9वीं जमात में ही उसने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के ज़रिए 5,000 रुपये कमाए और अपने दोस्त और अहबाब के पेरेंट्स से अक्षया बंधना और 1M1B के ज़रिए 2 लाख रुपये का फंड को इकट्ठा किया, जिसमें सिनी स्टार महेश बाबू की बीवी नम्रता शिरोडकर भी दीक्षिता को कुछ फंड दिया। दीक्षिता ने इन पैसों के ज़रिए लॉकडाउन में परेशान कई गरीब घरों को रेशन किट्स देकर और दीगर फैमिलीज़ को कुछ रकम डोनेट किया, जिसके चलते उस लड़की की छोटी उम्र में इतने बड़े और नेक कारनामों को देख गरीबों ने इस दीक्षिता को दुआओं से नवाजा। इस साल भी दीक्षिता ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लिए और कुछ फंड्स इकट्ठा किए और फिर से गुज़िश्ता साल की तरह इस साल भी गरीबों को रेशन किट्स फराहम किया।
Good evening, everyone. I'm Deekshita Aladi. I'm studying in Chirac International School and I'm in 10th grade. My partner Kriti Gotur and I started this project Akshaya Bandhana as a part of the 1M1B Future Leaders program. So Future Leaders is a program for finding and nurturing world's most promising youth leaders into human-centered leaders. Some people, and we gave them relief packets that lasted for about 2 to 3 weeks, and we raised over 2 lakhs by crowdfunding and by talking to lots of donors, about 70 donors. We talked to about 70 donors, and we also had Mrs. Namrata Shirodkar and Gautam Gattamaneni promote our project on their platform, and that helped us raise funds because of crowdfunding. And we've been focusing on education recently. We've been working with the Sankuratri Foundation, where we take communication skills, and we've been doing lots of activities with that school, Sarada Vidyalayam. Recently, I distributed oximeters and masks, N95 masks, and sanitizers and weighing machines to a village called Undavelli, because this situation has been horrible and it was hard to ignore other people's problems. And I raised about 1 lakh by taking classes for other students and kids, like astronomy classes and blog designing. And I also talked to lots of donors. And more about the Future Leaders program. It's a program for finding and nurturing world's most promising youth leaders into human-centered leaders. Top students who create impact on ground are given an opportunity to showcase their work at 1M1B event at the United Nations, New York. And Akshaya Bandhana was selected to present at the 1M1B Activate Impact Summit at the United Nations, New York, and we'll be going there once the corona situation gets better. A non-profit organization with special consultative status to the ECOSOC. And it's associated with the United Nations Department of Global Communications. And for the past 5 years, 1M1B has been hosting their annual global summit at the United Nations headquarters in New York, where young leaders represent India. And we're really happy to be a part of this program and actively work on ground with the help of our mentors and the help of our school as well. They've supported the project multiple times by circulating things around the school and getting more people involved. And we're really grateful for that. Thank you.
Sayyid Mahmood Peer, ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, द पीट टाइम्स।